Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can access the footage that you have captured when you're recording on your Insta360 GO 3S. Okay, so this is kind of a beginner video. You have been out in the field and you went ahead and recorded a few clips with your new camera, and now you want to access the footage and see what you've captured. What you'll do is you'll power on your action pod here, and here's the screen that comes up. What you want to do is swipe over from the right. Now it says to please put your GO 3S in the action pod to browse the album. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, so it magnetically puts in place and it automatically starts loading. And here is some of the footage I caught that's in like short format or vertical format. Now to see some of the clips you did, all you gotta do is you can swipe up and down. Right now, that's the 10 out of 10 clip. So if I swipe up, you can see right there's clip number 9 out of 10 and so on. All right, now let's say we wanna go ahead and delete this footage here. As you can see at the very top right corner, there is a trash can icon. We'll go ahead and click on that. And you got the option here to delete file. You'll click on confirm. There's a little shake that on the camera letting you know that it deleted it. And then now you can see my total clips is down to 9 from 10. And that's how you access the different clips that you've recorded on your Insta360 GO 3S.